can't stand it nowhere.
When I walk up in the piece, I ain't gotta eat speed. I'm a bad man, my jumping begging y'all people ain't got it like me. I ain't studying these crows. Need to talk what you know. And stop talking about who I'm just mad it ain't shows. I know y'all pull, y'all broke. Y'all job just hanging up close. Step to me, get burnt like toast. Y'all suckers, adios amigos. I post those. I don't brag, I mostly boast. From the VA to the LA coast. Is it go? When I pull up in my wheel, y'all be like, who that is? I'm driving, I'm glad, and I'm sad. Y'all keep talking about that she is. I'm gripping these girls. Skirt, did you heard? I love my feathers, my fur. I fly like a bird. Chicken heads on the ground. Who you trying to f now? Now you ain't getting loud. Better calm down before I spike it to the ground. I need my drum, bass, hi-hats, I need my snare, strings, horn. Yes, I need my Tim sound. Right, left. Is it, look at him.
Once upon a time in College Park, where they live life fast and they scared of dark. There was a little by the name of Creek. Nobody paid him any mind, no one gave a No one he could rap, no one lit the hand. So he went about his business and devised a plan. Made a CD, then he hit the block. 50,000 sold, $7 a pop. Hold a foe, 3 years later. Stepped out the swamp with 10 and a half haters. Now all around the world on the microphone. He leave the booth smelling like Burberry cologne. Still riding chrome, got bitches in the kitchen, never home alone. And he's on the grind. Please let me know if he's on your mind. And respect you'll give me. Ludacris, I live loud like Timber. Had to clear these